girl Brenda Gibbs. I'm back with the haul video. I wanted to share with you all some goodies that I picked up within the last couple of weeks, and I also went to Sephora and Ulta on today. So I'm probably going to break this video into two parts because I think that I have a lot of items and I wanted to keep your attention. So I'm going to make the video short, but I'm going to try to run through everything that I picked up. So let's get started. I placed the order on last week with Macy's.com, and I wanted to pick up the Soft Glam palette, and this is from Anastasia, and I wanted to get it at a cheaper price than what Sephora had. The Soft Glam palette was $35, so this is a really good steal. It actually was $35.70, and this is the box. I just did a look. If you want to go check that out, here it is right here. I did a look featuring some new makeup products that I ordered, and guys, this is so beautiful. I don't really get hyped on palettes unless they're speaking to me, and this spoke to me. That was a brush that just fell out, but these are the shades and they are so beautiful. The brush keeps falling. I don't normally use the brush, but it's good to have. So this is the palette that I picked up. And what else did I get from Macy's while I'm doing this here? Okay, and then I ordered the Amrezy highlighter. This is the Amrezy highlighter. I didn't use that today, which I should have with my tutorial, but I didn't. But this is the Amrezy. The packaging is really pretty. And here is the highlighter. And that's the swatch. Let me see how it'll look on my face. Looks kind of cute. It's a good topper to do. Yeah, I'm feeling that. I can work with that. And I believe this was, let me see, this was $23.80, so that was a good price. I can't remember the regular price, but you makeup lovers know what the prices is of the products. And then I ordered a Anastasia lip gloss, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. That's what I have on my lips right now. And the funny thing about this order, I received some free gifts, and with the free gifts is a pretty makeup, pretty Anastasia mirror, along with a mini Butterscotch lip gloss. So that's pretty cool. So I have those two. And they threw in a lot of samples of perfumes and whatnot. So that's always good to have. They threw in a lot of samples. So the lip gloss that I purchased was only $13.60, and everything else was like the free two-piece gift set that came with the just ordering from Macy's, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's move on. Moving on, I went to Sephora on today, and the reason why I went into Sephora is to pick up that new foundation. This is the Cover FX, and this is the box. I just did a tutorial showing you how I applied the foundation and how it looks, and I can say that it does match me really well. And this is the bottle. It comes with the little spout, nothing fancy, but it is a small packaging, but you still get a good amount of product. You get 1.18 fluid ounce in this here bottle, and the shade that I went with is G80. I also picked up a gloss from Urban Decay, and this is in Fuel, and it's just a nude. And I'll swatch that one, make sure. And that is Fuel. It looks really pretty. It's like a nudie pink. And I also picked up a Janiero. This is the Brazilian Touch hand cream, so hopefully it smells good like the bum cream and the spray. This is it right here. I think this was like 15 bucks, but I'm sure it's well worth it. I hope it smells good as the spray. And the last thing that I picked up from Sephora is this Glow Recipe. It's Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is for oily to combo skin, which is really good. And it smells super good, y'all. It has water, like a watermelon scent. And for those of you all who aren't like allergic to smells, and you know, the scent does go away once you apply it. But it has hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and it smells good like watermelon. And I love the packaging. It looks really cute. So this is the box that it comes in. I did use it underneath the foundation that I'm wearing on today. I didn't go with my Becca, but that's okay. And I wanted to get a sample of the Marc Jacobs. I think I watched somebody who was somewhat of my skin tone, and instead of me using, I think it was like 380, I wanted to try, instead of me using the 480, I wanted to try the 420 to see how it worked out for me. And then she also gave me a few samples, which I probably don't use. So let me see what else. From Ulta, I picked up a Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. This is it right here. I heard a lot of great things about it, so I wanted to test it out and see how it worked. And then I also picked up some Poopouri Before You Go. It's the original citrus scent. This is a toilet spray that you spray in the toilet, and when you come out, no one will never know that you know, did your little business. I like to use this especially at home. And what else? I purchased this. This is the Berts Bees 100% natural. The one that I wanted to get was out of stock, so I just end up getting this here moisturizer for my lips, and this is in blush. Next, some items that I picked up from Hush.com is from Bad Habit, and this is the highlight kit. This is the Oasis, and it comes with your mirror in this little palette, and here are the shades. Not quite sure who they are trying to dupe, because you know they are good at duping people, but this is some shades, and I'll swatch some for you. This is like Pina Colada, Nude Beach, and here are the highlights, and then we'll do tan lines and vacay. This is tan lines, and that's vacay. So that's tan line and vacay. This is the box that it came in, and the reason for this order is because I seen this palette and it was like really pretty. It's a matte eyeshadow collection, and again, this is the Face Candy, and it comes with these pretty shades. I've been wearing the mess out of these shades, especially to work, and I got a lot of compliments on the eyeshadow look that I did. But I'll probably do one for you guys maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But and it comes in bubble wrap, which is pretty cool. Placed the order with Gerard Cosmetics. I wanted 2 lip glosses, and they're pretty pricey, but if you look for a coupon, you'll find one online, and the one that I picked up is in nude. Very pretty. I like it because it comes with the mirror. I didn't take the peel off of it, and it comes with the light. This is like so old. Well, not the lip gloss, but just the fact that a lot of people don't know about it coming with the light. But this is it right here, and that's the shade Nude. Looks really pretty, along with Buttercream. And that's Buttercream. And I don't know if I showed you guys these, but they are lip glosses from MAC, and these are some Dazzle glasses. I picked up one in Dress to Dazzle, and I also picked up Prancing Dancing. I don't know why it seems like I showed you guys these, but this is Prancing. This one is Prancing Dancing. And this is Dress to Dazzle. And the last lippies are from Ulta, and they had their sale, which these were only $10, which is really good because I think they're actually $20. And these are the Buxom lip glosses. I purchased one in White Russian, and the other one is in Lavender Cosmo. And I wear this all the time, so if you just go back to one of my videos, you'll see like everyday gloss. So White Russian and Lavender Cosmo. I picked up the Oh So Glitzy. It's a eyeshadow from MAC. I thought this was like really pretty, and I picked that up with, I think I showed you guys this if I'm not mistaken, because I did pick up Uninterrupted, but I'll swatch it for you all who haven't seen this one. Yeah, I think I showed you guys this, but it'll make a pretty lid color or like a topper. From Ulta, I picked up the number 3 brush from NYX, and this is it right here. It's like a, I don't know if I picked up the right one. I was looking for the one that's a little bit dense that I can apply some foundation. I'm gonna check it out and see if this is the one that I wanted. Then we have the Revolution concealers. This is in C10, which is pretty light, and this one is in C11. This is buy one get the other one half off, so I picked up another one. I like to use this on top of the Maybelline concealer, and I use that on today, which I like. From Nordstrom's, I picked up the Chanel. This is the Teint Ultra Tenue, and this is in the shade Caramel. But I really didn't want to show you guys this because this might be going back. I used this and it didn't wow me, and it's pretty pricey. When I used the Cover FX, it just gave me so much life, and I figured that this will be my go-to foundation. I'm really loving the way that it looks on my skin. So that is, oh, and I have one more item that I picked up, and it's some edge control, which is a dud in my opinion. It's the Argan Oil Hawaiian Silky Hydrating Sleek Edge Control. I used this and it didn't do anything. It didn't even lay my edges at all. It didn't help lay my hair down. You guys know, I don't know if I told you guys, I'm trying to transition, but I better not say that too loud. I don't know, we'll see, because all this that you see that's like black and my roots is all new growth, and we'll see how that works. But other than that, that will complete my haul. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to see the video that I put up in regards to the makeup look that I have going on. Let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye.